In terms of your presentation this morning, if there was one thing that you would like the audience to take away from your messages, what would that be?
Yeah, so I talk to everyone in the room, and I'll be talking to competitors and partners, and even talking to the team back in Planet as well. From a partner and from an acquiring point of view, the technology that we've all now put in place, it works. It's effective 99% of the time. It works A to B. The reality, though, is that we want to all collectively grow and differentiate our end propositions. And one of the ways that businesses can go and do that, and payment businesses particularly, is thinking about the differentiation and how you start to answer the complex problems that our customers face. Now, that's easy to say, but to actually go and do, you'll need to take a very deep look at how you're working with your software, potentially partners, acquiring targets potentially too, but also making sure that you are thinking about what verticals you're focused into. And then equally, is your organization aligned to go and help you grow in that space? And that's a critical message that I'll be talking today at the event.
Perfect. And the PSE conference itself, you've been here a few times, I'm sure,
yes.
now. So in terms of PSE, what do you like? How's it different to maybe other conferences that you clearly get invited to talk out?
Yeah, absolutely. I think when you're on stage and you look out across the room, you go, yep, know that person, worked with that person, partner with that person. So look, the first thing is, I think everyone, it's a small industry with big ambitions. So there's a huge opportunity to just, quite frankly, network with people. I think because also we all know each other. We're either competing against each other, as I said, or we're partnering with each other. We all know what's going on. And I think we can have a closed group like that. And it gives you the opportunity to kind of maybe discuss the kind of questions out in the open that we're all equally struggling with, and be a little bit open to hear alternative views. So I certainly always leave the event with great to catch up with people, but also kind of refreshed from a strategy point of view to go, you know what, a lot of people are facing the same opportunities and challenges as I do, and actually I'm not alone, and we're not alone out there. So I really enjoyed that interaction.
Brilliant. And I guess the final one, we're coming to the end of 24, we can all see 25 looming. So if there was one key bit of insight, one payment theme that you think people should be thinking about for next year, what would that be?
Yes, for me, it's embedded payments. We've gone from kind of the integrated payments world, and we've got different models out there. People either selling their payments through software organizations or equally working very hand in hand with strategic partners. And look, we hear the buzzwords of frictionless this and payments. They're still relevant. But the difference, I think, in 2025 is it's going to be a better mix of making it a much more frictionless consumer journey. More interestingly, I think in 2025, the distribution element coming to that. So I expect to see more agreements from payment competitors or cooperators in the marketplace. And I think we'll see more use cases of where software and the payments infrastructure is coming together. And hopefully some exciting use cases, and ultimately it'll be all our end customers who will benefit from that.